Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how Dynamics 365 Business Central is revolutionizing the way businesses operate by seamlessly connecting data across applications. Let's explore the integration that's transforming workplace efficiency. Every day, businesses face the challenge of app overload. Employees switch between different documents, apps, and websites searching for information. This constant switching is more than just a hassle. It costs businesses valuable time. Did you know the average employee switches between apps over 1,200 times each day, adding up to about 4 hours each week, just reorienting themselves after each switch? Annually, that's equivalent to 5 lost working weeks. Enter Dynamics 365 Business Central. This robust platform connects with Microsoft 365 to create a unified experience where data moves smoothly between applications like Excel, Outlook, and Microsoft Teams. Imagine having all your data interconnected. No more switching apps to find information. With Business Central integrated into Microsoft 365, information flows directly to where you need it, when you need it.
Let's take a look at this functionality in action and how Business Central leverages the power of collaborative applications to change the way the work gets done. Stella is a customer service manager at a furniture store. She leads a team of 3-4 customer service representatives. When Stella received an email with a question regarding a customer's order, she's able to use the Business Central Contact Insights function to seamlessly move from the email to the customer's record to review their order. As she looks over the order, she realizes she needs additional information, so she adds it to her agenda for her upcoming sync with her team members. During the meeting, Stella pastes the link to the customer product in question into the team's chat, through which her team member, Gabe, is able to quickly go directly to the information they need to drill down into the product details. Through this swift action, the team is able to get up to speed on inventory counts, delivery dates, order updates, and more. Gabe, who is also in the meeting, is able to update the product data and the order status, keeping everyone on the call aligned on next steps. Philip, the furniture store's inventory manager, is also in Teams. As Stella shares the Business Central records, Philip is able to view them even though he doesn't have a Business Central license. If the company had not implemented Business Central, Philip would have received the access denied message. However, with Business Central, Philip has been granted view-only access through his Microsoft 365 account, making interdepartmental collaboration easier and faster than ever. This is how Stella leverages the collaborative power of Business Central to give her team and stakeholders in other departments the information they need to make decisions, tighten lead times, and move more product, all while staying in the flow of work in Microsoft Teams. Furthermore, Business Central allows the furniture store to drive productivity across the business using the connected functionality with Microsoft 365, including Microsoft Teams. Let's take a look at Gabe's role and how he's able to proactively manage customer relationships. Gabe is helping a customer who would like to increase the order quantity on an open order that is scheduled to be picked, packed, and shipped that evening. In this situation, time is of the essence. Gabe opens the item card in Business Central to check the available inventory and confirms that there is enough stock to fulfill the customer's request. Without leaving the flow of work, Gabe opens the sales order and increases the quantity. But when he tries to save the order, he gets a notification informing him that increasing the quantity will push the total cost beyond the customer's credit limit. Gabe knows the order is time-sensitive, so he quickly opens a Teams chat with the customer and learns that the customer had made an EFT payment to cover last week's delivery already. Gabe decides to reach out to the accounts receivable team to clarify the confusion and check if the funds have been updated in the system yet, since his team used Microsoft Power Automate to create a special new escalation space. The series of steps Gabe uses in this type of situation is automated. Now with a single click in Business Central, Gabe can run the automation and really save time when time is of the essence. A new collaborative space in Microsoft Teams is opened to facilitate a group chat flow where stakeholders from across the company and his team can collaboratively work together to solve the issue. Once the accounts receivable team member is added to the chat, Gabe explains that he's trying to increase the quantity of an existing order, but that the increase will need special approval from them because it exceeds the customer's current credit limit. With the interoperability of Business Central, Gabe is able to add a tab that shows all of the customer invoices and payments, adding contextual business data to the chat.
Another great example is how Business Central integrates with Excel, making the workflow more efficient. With Business Central, you can seamlessly pull data into your spreadsheets, analyze it, and send it back without ever leaving Excel. This integration ensures that your data is always up to date and accurate, enabling better decision-making. Plus, the integration lays the foundation for AI and Microsoft Copilot to provide proactive insights and automated workflows, boosting productivity and enhancing decision-making across your organization. Don't let app overload hold your business back. Transform your business with Dynamics 365. Business Central, and get in touch with our experts today. If you found this video helpful and want to receive more industry insights like this, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification to stay updated. Thanks for watching.